Hey guys, John here. So in my road trip video, I mentioned this little Android unit and a lot of you wanted to see a full video on it, so here it is. So the whole unit is right here. It plugs in via USB-C. You do have a memory card slot right there too, so if you want to put a micro USB and download stuff onto this to watch, you can too. And then we have a USB-A right here. In the kit, it also comes with USB-C to USB-C, but for the Tundra's application, we have a USB-A right there. All right, so I like to set mine over there. We'll go ahead and plug it in. All right, so then it pops up, click continue. It's gonna be connecting to my Wi-Fi because I'm at my house. Now it pops up just like normal CarPlay. Just go ahead and tap on it, and then everything in here is essentially a Google operating system. Just know that this is distracted driving. Please do not use this in the middle of a city, in the middle of traffic, anything like this. I use this only for road trips. When I was on the 10 freeway in North Florida, hardly anyone around me, and I'm not staring at the screen watching Netflix the whole time. Look down, watch it, I can hear it, I'm fine. I'm still driving, I'm not staring at a screen. Don't be stupid, use this properly. Okay guys, so with that out of the way, it fired up for me really fast because I've already calibrated it to my screen and it looks absolutely incredible on the Tundra screen. It will work on pretty much any Apple CarPlay, whether you have it on your 4Runner, Tacoma, Camry, a Honda Civic, whatever you have it on, it should be compatible. Just check it out in the link down in the description and the pinned comment just to make sure that it's compatible with your vehicle. But we have a full slew of Android OS. So if you guys want to install anything with the APK installer, if you guys need actual internet, I'm loading up Trail Tundra right here. You guys can write for Trail Tundra. We'll pay you $100 to $300 per post. If you guys want Netflix over here, you can watch Netflix while you're driving. Also having the micro USB in it too, it would be nice to then download stuff too, right? So you could download shows onto that hard drive. That way you don't have to worry about Wi-Fi or signal while you're driving, because when I was using this, I was tethered to my phone and it wasn't the best service, so sometimes stuff would have to buffer. When it was live and it was good, the picture quality was insane. It was like full HD. So I mean, if you want to watch some donut stuff, I mean, the quality aside from it flickering looks so awesome. So then you have this little dot here too to go home. It's still playing the YouTube down there in the corner, but you have the whole Google Play Store too. So pretty much anything that you want to download and play, you can do that on your screen. Think of this as now a giant Android tablet that's running the Google operating system. So since it has the Google Store, you can download all this stuff too. I have Spotify, YouTube, Netflix over there if you want to download any of your favorite streaming services. I am an Apple person, but if it's on the Google Play Store, you should be able to download it no problem. And then just to go back to the Tundra stuff, you just click the car, you come back to the main Tundra screen, you tap this again as if it's normal CarPlay, and then you're all in this app right here, or you're all in this little Google box thing, and it's so freaking rad. I mean, you can literally do anything that you want in this. The Play Store, the YouTube, keep going back and forth, and it's in full screen, so you have to tap this, go back home, Netflix. Very, very awesome system, and it's super responsive. I'm just looking through it through my camera right now, and it makes it kind of hard, but you can play, I mean, anything. You just start playing. I mean, so cool. And then too, if you want to minimize the Netflix to do some stuff, you can. So guys, that's it. I'm gonna do another road trip come September. I'll have this thing plugged in and I'll definitely download stuff onto a micro SD card just to have it playing in full HD all the time, not tethered to my phone, worrying about signal in the middle of Texas or the middle of New Mexico, wherever I am. It's a pretty cool system. And like I said in my road trip video, we had Netflix on for maybe 3 hours, 3.5 hours, just Schitt's Creek, just driving like this, looking down. Everyone else in the vehicle was watching it, having a good time, and it passed time like that. Very cool system. So link down in the description, guys. Don't be dumb with it. Don't use it in the city. Be smart with it. Link down in the description and pin comment. I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, see you later.